Hi all, today I'm going to make the classic Greek entree or snack, Saganaki. Now you're going to need this cheese. Now I buy it in a full wheel, but you can get this at a good delicatessen, continental deli, and you can buy slices. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this up and I'm going to put the rest and I'm going to put into the food saver, just cryovac/vacuum pack, because I'm not going to be able to eat all this. This will feed, a small army. I'm going to show you the classic way of making it, so it's all crunch on the outside and nice and gooey in the middle. It's an awesome entree. Okay, so I've cut up my Saganaki. I've got into nice little pieces here, about half a centimetre thick. I've got some flour, plain, that's it, nothing too much. 1 egg beaten. And I'm going to turn these into restaurant quality Saganaki. It's going to blow your socks off. And it is such a simple dish, like most Greek cooking. There isn't much to it, but it's about respecting the flavours and making him beautiful. Very beautiful. I love him very much. Okay, I put a little bit of olive oil onto a flat pan here. It's getting nice and warm. I'm simply taking my cheese, dip him into this. Again, I haven't added anything to the egg wash, just a fresh egg, lightly beaten, covering a little bit of the flour. Very important that it's giving you a beautiful texture. And onto the pan. And we do that and we'll let them cook out. Beautiful. She's very beautiful. I love him. And about 3 minutes later, I've now flipped them over and they are looking scrumptious. Awesome. And there, the Saganaki is now ready. I'm going to pull that off and show you how it's come up. Okay, and there's a Saganaki. Put a little bit of lemon juice, very important. Just adds that little bit of the acidity and finishes it off. Oh. Huh. Fabulous.